Angeles Investors has funded 25 companies since its launch in 2020. Joining us live is Adela Cepeda, board chair of Angeles Investors, to talk about the importance of supporting entrepreneurs. So why did you decide to start this organization?
Well, we're seeing that, and good morning, we're seeing that Latinas and Latinos are opening businesses at an unprecedented pace. However, the businesses are not scaling. And why is that? There's a lack of capital. So Angeles Investors stepped in to be the friends and family early capital that's usually needed for these businesses to have the potential to be multi-million and highly successful.
So do you have sponsors? Do people have to apply to get one of these scholarships or funds? Can you explain just kind of how it works?
Sure. We have a website, angelesinvestors.com, and you can apply as a startup. And in that capacity, we evaluate the ones we think will be most successful, and we bring them to the whole group. And then every quarter, the group decides which ones they will invest in by putting money behind them.
A little bit like Shark Tank style?
In a friendly way.
I like that. What are some of your hopes then? Like, how do you plan to grow? Do you plan to start funding even more startups this year?
Well, absolutely. Well, we started, in a small room with maybe 10 people, and we now have 400 members.
Wow.
We have, as you mentioned, invested in over 25. And David Olivencia and I have started out an investment fund to invest in additional opportunities that the group may not be, fully invested in. So that's Angeles Ventures. And so we're very excited about the promise of being investors in businesses that can provide potential returns. But also, we're excited that this gives our community an opportunity for economic success.
So where can people, if say somebody listening is part of a Hispanic startup, where can they go to get more information?
AngelesInvestors.com.
As easy as that, huh?
Yeah.
Is there anything else that you want people to know about Angeles Investors before we let you go?
Absolutely. Listen, this is a very exciting opportunity to be part of an incredible network. It's national. So we have groups all around the country. So it's a way to enhance your network, but in addition, it's a way to enhance the opportunity for our community's economic growth. And so please join us in this effort. We would love to have you. You don't have to be Latino. We welcome all interested members that want to see an impact, a real dollars and cents impact in our community.
Oh, okay. So you'll take any or you'll look at any startup then?
Oh, absolutely.
Okay, good. Thank you so much for clarifying that, and I hope that you have lots of luck. How would funding these startups impact our community, like you were just saying?
Well, it creates jobs.
Okay.
Tremendous number of jobs. It creates wealth. So the original investors and everybody that invests has the opportunity to substantially appreciate the value of their investment. When these startups are successful, the returns are pretty stratospheric. It's a risky business, though. For every successful enterprise, there's more than a handful that don't make it.
Yeah.
It's a tough business.
Yeah. Well,
but our community is geared to starting businesses.
Sure. Adela Cepeda, thank you for your time this morning, and thanks for everything that you're doing.